All-Star Hoops, and actually itong si Coach Lander Miranda na interview ko na kasi nag-champion sila nung last league nila. Yun nga lang sabi niya, yung mga players na dito, they're not currently the same as the last roster kasi overage na yung iba, so umakyat na sa iba yung mga ibang player niya.
Yun yung isang team sa dapat nating tutukan dito sa ating Velvet D-League Season 2, especially here in the 11 and under division. Itong Passion Basketball, All-Star Hoops Basketball, currently with the white jersey. They're going up against Passion Basketball, who's wearing the orange jersey. And look at that steal. The pass, good receive, throws it up, missing. Put back is good for All-Star Hoops.
And kita natin agad, naka-press na itong All-Star Hoops. Oh. Naka 1-2-2 na sila. Full court press. Ayun, at naka-steal na nga.
And there goes the steal. The drive goes for 2. And play continues. Passion Basketball scores the basket inside. So far sa 11 and under division, ikaw dahil na-cover mo na.
Kasi dati nung time ko, pag 11 under division, usually you'd expect na di masyadong skilled yung mga bata. You know, like medyo mabagal pa, di pa masyadong nakakagalaw. Pero nagulat ako nung last season, yung mga bata talaga nito sobrang skilled. Like parang di sila mga 11 under gumalaw, parang mga 18 under na actually. Kita mo, nagti 3 points, nagko-crossover, may mga behind the back. Like, you can see talaga na itong mga bata na to, like, they're skilled, they're determined, and kaya talaga nila.
For sure, may mga napansin din ako dito na hindi lang skills yung yung pang 18. Minsan yung height nila pang 18 na rin eh.
Oo, iba na rin yung mga height ng mga player ngayon, di ba?
Ito, si number 8, medyo matangkad na rin to for an 11 under player. Nagulat ako doon sa height niya. But looking to be a dribbling violation for All-Star Hoops. 6-2 with 7 and 40 here in the first quarter.
And ito palang Passion Sports, they're owned by Sir Rob Labagala.
PBA
Oh, and alam ko right now, he trains mga PBA players din, kahit mga B-League players, I believe. I saw him training Dwight Ramos once, so marami siyang nititrain ng mga players, and itong anak din niya daw, nasa team, si number 30.
And especially, ito, All-Star Hoops gets the basket once again, 8-2. So far, Passion Sports, medyo naaagawan sila. They're being careless with the basketball. As look at that move! Sidestep, what a beautiful move coming from All-Star Hoops.
And like what I was talking about a while ago, kita mo naman yung skill ng bata na yun. Nag-Pinoy step pa siya. At a very young age, kaya na nila yung mga ganun, di ba?
And siguro isa din sa papasalamatan natin bakit ganun yung mga bata natin is because of the highlight culture that we have here. Yung mga nakikita nila sa kanilang mga social media, yung mga highlight moves, yung mga Pinoy step, side step, even yung Euro step, di ba? So, kaya siguro mga bata ngayon, nadadala nila yung mga ganong galawan. It is because yun yung nakikita nila sa social media.
Tama, mga pages like Hoop Junkie, kahit sa NBA lang, PBA, yung mga player na yan, like Terrence Romeo, sina Richie Rivero, like mga idol niya ng mga bata. So, yun yung mga tinatry nilang i-emulate during the game. And as we saw a while ago, beautiful move, and it went in pa rin.
So, All-Star Hoops tries the 3, short. Rebound Passion Sports, 8-3. Oh, a steal! And ito na naman si number 12 with the sidestep. Foul on that play. He will go to the line for 2 shots.
Another nice move right there by number 17. Kita mo naman, Euro siya ulit doon. Kanina Pinoy step, ngayon Euro naman to the foul.
Itong shooting at the line, we should really look on this kid as he has he has skills na talagang exciting panoorin.
And the best part about that, Miggy, kita mo, left-handed, oh. Best type of baller. Lahat ng left-handed, maganda ang shooting form.
Parang nararamdaman ko, left-handed shooter ka, Aaron ah.
Hindi, right-handed nga ako. Actually, wish ko nga na left-handed ako eh. Kasi lahat ng tumitira ng left, maganda yung form eh.
Kasi ano eh, medyo kakaiba. As eto na naman, he gets a steal, the dish, and the assist. All-Star Hoops with an 8-point lead, 11-3. Labagala goes to his teammate. They're being hounded in the half court. And look like that. Wow, good hustle. Number 14. And here goes 17 again. The big side step. Wow! Grabe naman yun, Aaron.
Head and shoulder fake. Kita mo talagang finake niya yung first step niya doon para ma-attract yung defender on that play.
And we head to the first time out of this game, 13-3 in favor of All-Star Hoops. So this is a 12-point lead built by All-Star Hoops with the help of number 17 Lomboy with his super flashy plays. And they still have once again the steal. The drive. The swing to 11. Lefty jumper will miss. Somehow it ends up in the hands of Labagala. Forward pass. Ooh. Hindi lang na-control ng kanyang kakampi yung pasa.
And Miggy, kung narinig mo kanina on that play, yung coach ng Passion Sports sumigaw, ipasa mo na. And that's mainly been the problem nitong Passion Sports. Nahirapan sila dun sa trap, sa full court press nitong All-Star Hoops. Kasi puro dribble sila. Like, kung ipapasa nila yun, madali nila yung mabibreak yung press.
As 25, no hesitation. Jumper is good.
Dito na nga, dribble ulit. Yan, open na yung isang teammate niya sa harap, oh.
Ooh. And another good save. Somehow, Passion Basketball saves the basketball. The one-hander off the mark. And here comes All-Star Hoops. Tough drive. Will go on the miss. Forward pass to 40. Lays it up. Uy, napalakas lang. Back and forth action. Another steal for Passion. Goes for that strong drive. Basket and one.
And you can see number 98 using his size advantage on that play. Dire-diretso. Actually, itong Passion Sports, may size advantage sila dito sa All-Star Hoops. Eh. You could clearly see na mga players nila mas matangkad. So, they're gonna have to pound it inside para magamit yung advantage nila.
But so far, they're on a 12-point deficit. They need to use as much as possible itong kanilang height advantage.
What I want to see from them is to break the press better, tapos kailangan din nila i-pound inside para makahabol sila with those easy two-pointers.
As All-Star Hoops getting their rhythm into this first quarter, 4:25 left sa ating opening period. Number 12 goes baseline, flips it up, miss. Second serving, no good. How about the third? Still a miss. '98 attacks. Uy, nawala sa kanya yung bola. Somehow ends up with himself. And a foul on All-Star Hoops.
Wala masyadong movement on the part of Passion Sports. Yung iba stagnant lang yung mga players nila sa corner, sa wing. Yung isa nasa paint lang.
So they need to share the sugar more for Passion Basketball. Passion Sports rather. Dahil sa kanila naman yung height advantage. Actually sa bench natin, mas marami yung dinideploy nila ngayon in this game eh. So mas maraming opportunity for the kids, and yung yung fatigue hindi masyadong factor kasi kaya i-balance ng coach nila. So they need yun muna kailangan nilang ayusin or trabahuhin dito sa ating first quarter, yung pagiging kumbaga pass first and sharing the basketball.
Definitely. And it's interesting to see na itong Passion Sports, kahit sila mas maraming substitutions, hindi sila nagpe-press. Ang nagpe-press pa is itong si All-Star Hoops.
As a drive inside, uy, ang ganda naman nun. Changing directions, finishing at the left.
Number 98, Big Boy again, showing the moves on that play with a right-handed drive onto the left-handed finish.
Pero ito naman, hindi magpapatalo yung All-Star Hoops. Getting that second chance, 19-7.
At ito na nga, bumaba na itong All-Star Hoops. Di na sila nagpe-press. Maybe it's because kita mo, dalawa lang yung substitution sila on the bench.
As the three-pointer will miss for Passion. And a foul on the three-bound battle. And substitutions for All-Star Hoops. Itong All-Star Hoops pala, ay yung kaya sila malaki yung lamang nila ngayon to this game kasi nga sila yung defending champions nung season 1. So definitely with this coming into this season, syempre they really wanted to go back to back.
Tama, and yung mga players naman nila may na-retain pa rin sila eh. So, and they still have the same head coach. So same system yan, I'm assuming. So kaya pa rin nila i-defend yun. You know, kahit sabihin mo 7 lang sila ngayon, tira mo, yung lamang nila malaki pa rin.
As a steal by Passion Sports, Dizon. Foul, 2 shots. For number 29.
And good aggressive drive there by number 29, taking it into the paint. Yun, naka-free throws pa sila. So, ganyan makakahabol ang Passion Sports. Paunti-unti.
Look at that. Coach Lander Miranda giving some pointers to his squad on that last play.
And yun, sayang lang yun para kay 98. But he gets the ball again. Yun, nakuha pa rin ng All-Star Hoops.
Lomboy, sub-step, gets to his teammate, missing the 2. $159 here in the first quarter. All-Star Hoops still with a big lead. And Passion Sports yet to break in double figures in this game. As 98 drives the bounce pass. Will be telegraphed by All-Star Hoops.
Gusto ko tong attack ng Passion Sports. They're running it through number 98 from the middle. Tapos siya na magde-decide kung anong gagawin niya.
And the jumper unleash will just miss. That's a good look. Another chance. Well, still to no avail.
And 2 sorry misses on that play. 2 3 points. Yung isa in and out. So sayang yun para sa Passion Sports.
As the swing, the 3-pointer to no avail. Lomboy gets it somehow. Dishes it to his teammate. And a traveling infraction for All-Star Hoops. $21-10. 80 seconds left in the first frame. The drive. Strip. But there will be a foul.
Good move by 98 with the in and out crossover on that play. The big man.
So far, Passion Sports, they started the first quarter a bit slow. Pero nung dumating si number 98 and get his first basket, I believe it's off an N1 play pa nga. Somehow, it gave life to Passion Sports. And now, they're focusing on their offense through number 98 rather.
Yeah, because itong si number 98, mobile siya for a big man. Kaya niyang i-break yung press through his dribble or he can even see over everyone. Kaya niyang pumasa out of the press kasi malaki talaga siya and may skills din siya. So, I think they have to run their offense through number 98 or find him a lot more.
As De Los Santos goes to his teammate. Uy, block doon. Pero there'll be a foul. And at the line is number 14 of All-Star Hoops. That's Manalo.
Kita mo naman yung height difference niya dun sa nag-foul sa kanya. Ba talaga, pero, you know, di siya natatakot. Attack pa rin siya ng attack. Itong si number 14.
But now, at that time, 98 gets the rebound. Passion Sports. Uy, steal by Manalo. He's pushing the tempo. Goes to his teammate. Missing on that play.
Kahit nag-miss yun, kita mo naman yung pass ni Manalo. Ang ganda dun.
Yung mga, eto sa All-Star Hoops, they might not have the height advantage. Pero yung bilis, yung puso sa laro, di ba nandun talaga para sa kanila?
Tama, and they know how to make the right play. That's the important one. Like on that pass play a while ago, drive siya, attract the defense, help defender, drop pass to the big man. Yun nga lang di pumasok.
As Manalo, once again. The pass intercepted but somehow finds Lomboy. The layup is good! Itong si Lomboy. First quarter pa lang pero punong-puno na ng mga highlight plays by this kid.
A lot of quick-fire guards dito sa part ng All-Star Hoops.
As Malibiran adjusts in midair. What a good move coming from Passion Sports to counter All-Star Hoops. And don't look now, 23-16. Lead by All-Star Hoop. Slashes to 7 with 8.5 in the first quarter. And now 8.5 remaining. All-Star Hoops will try to write the last sentence in this chapter. But Lomboy missing. Malibiran, the heave will be strong. And now, that's how we end the first quarter. 23-16 in favor of All-Star Hoops. And now we're back here in the second quarter of your Velvet D-League Season 2 11 and under. All-Star Hoops versus Passion Sports 23-16 lamang ang All-Star Hoops. De Los Santos the drive and the N1 make.
And gets the end one on that play. Passion Sports, di masyadong maganda defense nila on that play. Easy drive right there by number 9.
Maagang pagbungad ng All-Star Hoops. Getting a complete N1 play through De Los Santos sa ating second quarter. And now Labagala. Almost a steal by Lomboy.
Yun na nga, walang nagpapakita dito para sa Passion Sports. Pero yun.
Passion Sports having trouble in their offense. Fortunately for them, mapipituhan yung All-Star Hoops on that time. Labagala will be the designated passer once again. Baseline drive, flip, will miss. So far, itong Passion Sports, they will start the second quarter without their main man in the first na si number 98. And a steal by De Los Santos. Finds Lomboy. Uy, ang gandang pasa and a great finish as well.
Hook pass right there to the smaller guy for the easy left-handed finish.
Ito si De Los Santos parking in the second quarter and finding Lomboy for the 2. Ito si Lomboy naman, first quarter pa lang mainit na. In second quarter, he would want to continue his streak. As the pass. Medyo napasobra ata sa init yung pasa ni Lomboy on that time.
And kahit naka-turnover sila on that play, mas mataas talaga tong energy ng All-Star Hoops. Like kahit sa offense, kahit sa defense, mas energetic sila. So Passion Sports, kailangan nila i-match to or even have better energy than All-Star Hoops.
Kung baka kailangan nilang pag-igtingin pa lalo yung passion nila. Diba? Ignite
Tama,
the
tama.
passion for passion sports.
And I'm sure maya-maya maglalabas na yung passion nila.
Oh, Aslong Boy with the steal. This man is full of passion. Step back, the pump fake, finds his teammate. Pangalawang nang malakas na pasa galing kay Lomboy.
Good intention yun. That his teammate could have gotten an easy shot right there. Yun nga lang, di nasa low.
Yun yung nakakatuwa kay Lomboy. Kanina first quarter nakita natin siya making those fantastic highlight plays, fantastic finishes. Pero at the same time, ngayon second quarter, he's trying to see kung ano yung pwede niya maitutulong or to assist his teammates.
Oh, very smart player itong si Lomboy. Kaya niyang mag-playmake, kaya niya mag-score. Actually, kahit sa defense, nag-steals din siya eh. So, kompleto to.
Oh, kanina nga, rumi-rebound din to eh. Pero on that play, lahat kaya niya gawin kahit ma-foul yung kalaban niya.
All-around player talaga itong si Lomboy.
Player talaga. And, however, he will be committing a foul as Passion Sports will get free throws.
And notice on the last two plays itong Passion Sports, long pass sila through the press and una, nakabasket sila, pangalawa, foul to the free throws. So palaging may tao sila, palagi sila may teammate on the other side na open. So they just have to look for that long pass instead of, dribbling too much. Puro dribble. So hanapin nila agad yung teammate nila on the other side.
Kumbaga, sa basketball kasi yung pinakamabilis na way para ma-transport yung basketball is to pass, not to dribble.
Tama.
Aslong Boy with the basketball. Lomboy fakes, attacks the middle. Ayan na naman si Lomboy.
And Lomboy splitting two defenders on that play with the long strides actually. Diretso for the layup.
All-Star Hoops with the press. Passion somehow breaks the press. Just could not capitalize on that possession. Foul will be called for All-Star Hoops.
And as much as their shots aren't going in right now, puro good press break itong Passion Sports.
Uy, gandang nakaw. Sayang nga lang. Mintes. Another opportunity. Still short. And look at that. Lomboy soaring high for the rebound. He drives. Full steam ahead. Goes to number 22 inside. Missing. And now 66. Ahead of the pack. Goes in for the lay-in.
Another good forward pass by Passion Sports on that play.
7:22. All-Star Hoops 30. Passion Sports 23. Lomboy goes to De Los Santos. The 3 ball is good. And that's the first 3-pointer of the game.
1-2-2 zone yung Passion Sports doon. And All-Star Hoops made them pay with the 3-pointer.
Pero so far, sa mga 11 and under, medyo napapansin ko lang na mas, sila no? They would like to go to the high percentage shot rather than to shoot a lot of threes.
Tama, we haven't seen a lot of 3-pointers in this game actually. Puro drive sila, puro fast break. So, I think that's a good sign kasi they're starting with the fundamentals muna. And here we go with Labagala, bringing it down.
Miranda drives. Good move. And he will be rewarded for 2 shots at the line. Split. But looks like there's a line violation. So another chance for number 33.
And Passion Sports just needs to keep doing what they're doing. Sooner or later, yung mga shots nila na to magpo-fall na kasi puro mga easy shots naman yung nami-miss nila eh. And I'm sure na Maya-maya papasok na yan.
Lomboy, the swing. Another sling. Number 1 drives baseline. Flips it up. Oh, hindi lang makuha yung friendly roll. Labagala secures the board. Forward pass. 66. Inside. Short. Lomboy will be fouled on that play.
Ayaw talaga pumasok nitong mga easy shots para sa Passion Sports.
So far, tingin ko kailangan na ibalik ng Passion yung aside from their Passion, kailangan na rin nila ibalik si number 98. Kasi si number 98, good height for his age, and at the same time, he has that finishing capability. Kanina nga, di ba, he drive right and then finish with the left. So malamang mamaya, kung magagamit siya yung mga forward pass na sa dunker spot, makakapitalize niya.
Tama, yung mga shots a while ago na miss, I'm sure he could have made at least half of those. Kasi ang laki-laki ng batang yun eh.
As Labagala with the basketball. Goes to 66. Baseline drive. Finally, works for him. Uy, a turnover on that play. Medyo di nagkaintindihan yung dalawang magkakampi doon, and that looks to be a baseline turnover.
And this could be a momentum shift para sa Passion Sports kung makascore sila on this play.
Because currently this is only a 7-point lead, 33-26. The 3 ball will be strong. Lomboy secures the board. And he's pushing the basketball once again. Lomboy drops it off. Good move. Will be rewarded for 2 shots at the free throw line.
And 22, the kid with the headband.
Kumbaga yung mga headband na ganyan, nakakadagdag angas yan pag naglalaro ka.
Extra attributes yan, extra shooting, extra passing.
Pero on that play, hindi ata gumana yung attributes niya. But look at that, Lomboy saves it only onto the wrong man. No Passion Sports, the forward pass, mababasa. All-Star Hoops with another steal. The fake, the handoff. Uy, All-Star Hoops overstayed their welcome sa shaded lane. A turnover for them.
And here we go with number 98 entering the game with the platoon substitution for Passion Sports.
5:18 in to the second quarter. And here you go, number 98, the man with the plan onto the first quarter. The forward pass, 33. Jumper will be no good. Ball will remain to the side of Passion Sports. '98 calling the play, goes to the screen, drives inside. The finish will be a miss. The second chance is good.
And here we go, number 98 asserting his dominance in the paint, getting the putback after his missed shot.
Lomboy with the basketball, directing traffic. Attacks the middle, the drop-off. Number 14, jumper, will be strong. 98, goes glass. Goes for the glass, rather. And another chance for Passion Sports. They're down by 5. Make that down by 3. Number 98, back-to-back hits for him.
Same drive on that play, coming from the right wing onto the left, and gets the floater. Number 98 leading the way for Passion Sports.
Lomboy, forward pass, mababasa ng Passion Sports. The drive. Ooh. Miss opportunity. And now All-Star Hoops. Makukuha nila muli yung bola.
Could have cut that game down to 1-point lead.
Pero nevertheless, nasaan na rin sila, shouting distance na rin sila. As 22, stuck in the middle. But a foul on an orange shirt, rather.
Mas tumataas na tong energy ng Passion Sports kahit sa defense. You know, mas umaabol na sila going for those loose balls. So, yun, 3-point lead. Let's see what they can do with it.
And there you go, a timeout. We will be right back.
Layout nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops. Ang lupet, smooth as smooth. Pasok sa galawang paligan na ikaw ang bida. Velvet League Basketball, liga. Velvet League Basketball, liga.
Okay, so we're back. Second quarter of action. Lomboy with the basketball once again. Tough drive, won't finish. And 22 is there.
And for a shot right there by Lomboy. So, good defense dito on the part of Passion Sports. Dalawa naka-hands-up defense lang. Pero yun nga lang, naka-offensive rebound itong si 22, Manalo.
So far, All-Star Hoops, medyo bumabagal na yung kanilang second quarter. Unlike the first quarter na guns a-blazing sila. Into the second frame, you could feel na medyo hindi na sila nakakuha ng mga baskets na nakukuha nila ng first frame.
And I'm sure there's a factor there sa substitutions nila, only having 3 subs right now.
Only playing with 8 players in the 8 players itong All-Star Hoops, but as rebound, De Los Santos drives the middle, mawawala yung bola. Somehow, All-Star Hoops still has the basketball. Manalo, the spin, flips it up. Uy, hindi lang nakuha yung lucky bounce.
Everything but the shot there for Manalo.
As All-Star Hoops, leading only by 3. Passion Sports, may pagkakataon para ilapit o itabla yung ating talaan. Oy, double dribble violation for Passion Sports. So, babalik yung bola sa All-Star Hoops with 2:24 into the second quarter. But still, by number 98. Drives. Uy, nabitin lang. And Lomboy with the rebound. And now we'll be heading into another timeout. Both of these teams would like to draw up something in their game plan to adjust and to maybe somehow get more baskets into the second quarter. Back in the first half of action, 2:05 before halftime. Passion Sports, they're trying to claw back their way in this game against All-Star Hoops, the defending champions. And now, Passion Sports only trailing by 1.
And itong si number 33 ng Passion Sports, you could see na he has the license to shoot. So I'm sure this kid is one of their designated shooters for the team.
As Lomboy flips a 3. Missing. Ito na yung golden opportunity for Passion Sports to get the lead for the very first time in this game. Number 33 goes to 98. The man with the plan for Passion Sports picks up his dribble, nowhere to go. The pass, mababasa. And he goes for another counter steal. Is this for the lead? Number 98 making a way for Passion Sports. 36-35 under 1:04 before halftime. Manalo, sidestep. Missing. 14. Jumper. No good. And now Passion Sports kayang lalong palakihin yung kanilang kalamangan. Uy, that's an offensive foul by number 97.
But number 98 though for Passion Sports doing everything in his team right now. From rebounds to drives. Siya na nga yung nasa taas ngayon eh. Kita mo nagpo-point guard na siya, binibigyan na siya ng screen.
hindi ko alam kung a-agree ka or masyadong rich. Pero yung laruan ni number 98 medyo Jokic eh.
Oo,
Right,
tama.
diba?
Actually.
Parang he's doing everything for Passion Sports.
Kasi nakaka-playmake na rin siya eh.
Diba? The pass, the pag-playmake, and even yung rebound and the baskets eh.
And kahit sa height, siya pinakamatangkad actually, or one of the taller players on the court.
The Joker on the court, the man with the plan, number 98 for Passion Sports. All-Star Hoops, missing on that second free throw. Lomboy finally takes back the lead for All-Star Hoops.
One of the smallest guys on the court gets the rebound pa on that play, naka-put back pa.
Passion Sports, sasagot ng tres, magmimintes. And now Lomboy with the board. 11 seconds before halftime, the top drive still connects for Lomboy. Number 98 to win the second quarter. And All-Star Hoops somehow, some way, they still hold on to that lead before at the end of the first half, 39-36 here in the Velvet D-League Season 2. Now third quarter, second half of action will unfold here in the Velvet D-League Season 2. All-Star Hoops, the defending champions in the 11 and under division, will go up against Passion Sports, who's been somehow, some way, clawing their way back into this game, 39-36.
Good drive right there by number 66. Dire-diretso lang para sa layup. Yun, 2 free throws agad. So, good start agad para sa Passion Sports.
The chance to cut the lead back to 1. Passion Sports makes those first 2 free throws. Forward pass. The drive. Clip on that lay-in will result 2 free throws for All-Star Hoops.
And interesting to see na number 98 for Passion Sports is on the bench right now. So, baka tactic yan ni Coach siguro na maya-maya pa niya ipapasok kung kailan pagod na itong All-Star Hoops.
Pwede. Para lalong mas makapitalize ni number 98 yung pag-atake niya sa defense. As Labagala goes to number 66. Jumper to no avail. All-Star Hoops. Uy, mababasa ni Labagala. But fortunately for All-Star Hoops, ball will remain to their side. Jumper will not fall. Manalo could not secure the basketball. Passion Sports will get the chance to take the lead once again. Labagala attacking the full court press. Hounded by 3 white shirts. Goes reverse. Missing. Another chance. Will miss once again. Third serving is good for number 97.
Relentless play by number 97 with 2 putbacks. Gets it on the second try.
Guat, no? Goes to number 8. 3-pointer. Off the mark. Now Labagala playing point for Passion Sports. The pass. 14. Another extra pass. Will miss. Fast break opportunity for All-Star Hoops. Steps on the break. Goes to number 8. Si Lomboy wala in this opening of the third quarter. So a chance for All-Star Hoops to find their second piece or second star in this game. 66 goes to Labagala. To Miranda. 3-pointer is good. Check that. It's only a long 2, but still, Passion Sports with the lead, 42-40.
And here we go with the energy shifting to Passion Sports side.
Nabubuhayan na yung orange shirts. And they get the steal. Labagala. Crossing half court goes to number 66. Pinoy step missing entirely. Number 8, flips it up, side of the ring. Ang tatamaan. Good defense coming from Guatno. Making that small bump that forces Passion Sports to a turnover.
And fast-paced action tayo for the second half. Puro fast break, puro takbuhan for these kids.
Fast breaks, takbuhan, and also somehow fouls din yung mga free throws, giving these players some time to take a breather. All-Star Hoops down by 2 against Passion Sports.
And itong si number 14 yung nag-free throw. Very similar game niya actually from Lomboy. Silang dalawa, mga 2 quick fire guards na defense, offense can do it. Kaya nila mag-play make.
As Manalo goes to 14. The escape is good. 42 apiece. Miranda. Attacking the full court press. Goes to Labagala. Asking for a screen. Goes for a 3. Labagala won't connect.
And itong si Labagala, we could see his skills showcase na pag nagdadala siya ng bola, may mga crossover itong batan to. He knows how to use his body when yung defender's trying to steal it from him. So, big guard tong batan to actually. Marunong siya mag-point guard.
Mana sa tatay.
Mana talaga sa tatay.
Diba?
And I'm sure tinuturuan yan ni Sir Rob Labagala sa mga skills niya.
As Labagala attacks once again, missing. All-Star Hoops goes inside for 2.
Medyo late yung pasa dun para kay number 14 pero na-finish pa rin niya over the taller defender.
Labagala to Miranda. Goes inside. 97 scores. Guatno siya na nagbababa ng bola. Maagawan ni Labagala. Ahead of the pack. Uy, sayang lang. Another chance. Ayaw pa rin, Guatno. Skying high for the rebound.
Sayang yun para kay Labagala. 2 gimmies on that play. Could have taken the lead.
All alone, pero yun nga, sometimes it happens to the best of us, di ba?
And sayang yun kasi stop rin niya yun. Siya yung naka-steal on that play.
And now, Lomboy checks in for All-Star Hoops. .502 into the third. Almost a steal. But All-Star Hoops recovers. Drive. Flips it up. Will go at the line for 2 shots.
And the man of the moment is in the game actually. Itong si number 98 pumasok na para sa Passion Sports.
So ito yung matchup natin eh. Very, medyo night and day yung matchup in terms of height. Si Lomboy going up against number 98.
Yeah, the small guy against the big guy. Pero actually, medyo similar laro nila. Mas mabilis lang talaga itong si Lomboy eh.
Kumbaga parang David and Goliath yung matchup natin.
Tama, pero they can both do very similar things.
At ayan, sila pa yung nagbabantayan. 98 drives, but it looks to be a foul on Lomboy, I believe. Miranda to 66, top of the key, 3, he's good. 47 to 44.
Number 66 showing us the range.
And if I'm not mistaken, that's his second long-range attack in this game. Yung tres ni Lomboy magmimintes. 14, short stab, no good. The banker is good for him at the second chance.
And that's unacceptable for Passion Sports. The smallest guy getting another putback. If I'm not mistaken, nakakailang offensive rebound na yung mga small guys ng All-Star Hoops. So sayang yung mga opportunities. Mas lalo na itong Passion Sports, way taller, height advantage over All-Star Hoops.
Way taller and at the same time, mas marami sila in this game. So talagang in terms of fatigue and energy, dapat sila yung hindi nawawalan. But on the meantime, number 66 shooting 2 free throws for Passion Sports, splitting at the line, 48 to 46. Passion Sports with the lead. But this is All-Star Hoops basketball. Lomboy missing on the lay-in. Gets another chance and making them pay.
And yun na nga, as I said a while ago, the smallest guys on the court still getting the offensive rebounds.
At ito, muntik pa. Kamuntikan pa. Lomboy with almost a steal.
Ang notice ko dito sa Passion Sports is they don't box out that much kahit sila yung mas malaki. And I'm sure that's a tendency for teams na when they know they're taller na hindi na sila mag-box out. Kasi feel nila they can just get the ball easily.
Bolima missing on the 3. 48 All-Star Hoops will try to break this deadlock. And Lomboy sinks the 3.
Lomboy just pulls up, dribbling from half court, tinira na lang galing sa nagdadala ng bola. So, big confidence shot for Lomboy on that play.
As Dison sasagot, answer from Passion Sports.
So, 3-point party right now for both teams.
Lomboy, who made a 3 earlier for All-Star Hoops, the drive in the middle. Ang gandang finish na naman mula kay Lomboy.
You see in that play, he splits 2 defenders. Takes a long step right into the paint, tapos easy floater for Lomboy.
And on the other side, Dison, magkakamali ng step sa TikTok on that play. 53 to 51. Giving back the basketball to All-Star Hoops. Number 5, fakes, inside move is good.
Nice fake right there by number 5. Attracting the 2 defenders. Kita niya na pag tinira niya agad, mabablock siya doon. But he took a fake, dribble to the right, and got the shot off.
And here goes number 98. The strong drive finish won't work. But 2 shots for him. Missing on the first one.
And itong presence ni number 98 in this second half, parang di pa natin masyadong nararamdaman as much as nung first half.
Siguro lang kasi, kababalik lang din naman niya around the 5-minute mark of the third quarter. And at the same time, nung kababalik niya lang, si number 66 is making the right plays and the good decisions for Passion Sports. But number 33 with the steal. Uy, is that a block coming from Lomboy?
I believe that is a block, and that's a good stop by one of the smallest guys on the court again. So, doing everything right now si Lomboy.
Ang napapansin ko dito sa All-Star Hoops, yung backcourt nila, small but terrible backcourt, si number 14 and si Lomboy. They might be small sa eye test, pero yung the way they get the rebounds, sila pa nga minsan on that play, sila pa nakakuha ng defensive and offensive rebounds for their team.
Tama, just really high energy players. Alam mo, naglalaro lang talaga sila with puso. They play hard, they love the game, and most especially skilled tong dalawang tong backcourt ng All-Star Hoops.
But shooting at the line is number 98, making both. 55 to 53. 147. On to this third quarter. Lomboy with the basketball. Attacks to the left. But there will be no continuation on that play. Sideline inbound tayo for All-Star Hoops.
And notice how All-Star Hoops is always attacking the middle kasi itong 1-2-2 zone, butas palagi yung gitna, di nasasara yung agad yung paint area.
Uy! From downtown, Lomboy making another 3. And yun din yung zone buster, di ba? Kumbaga. And Lomboy, almost a steal. And the All-Star Hoop completes it. Ayun lang, nag-hesitate. That resulted to a turnover.
Tama, papasa na niya sana pero kita niya na it would get stolen if he passed it. Kaya drinable niya, yun lang. Traveling violation on that play.
And now Labagala checks back in for Passion Sports. He goes to number 98. Another steal by Lomboy.
Tsaka kita mo yung defensive instincts nitong si Lomboy. Alam niya kung kailan siya mag-steal, kung kailan yung mga passing lane. So smart player itong si Lomboy.
Wala na talaga ako masabi dito sa player na to eh. From the first to the third quarter, is just really a splendid player to watch for All-Star Hoops.
Very active, knows what to do, knows the right plays. So, yun. If tumangkat pa tong si Lomboy, like maging 5'9 siya, 5'10, you expect to see him like maybe in the college ranks. Kung tutuloy-tuloy lang tong skill niya pag ganito.
Definitely. And panigurado, napakasayang panoorin ni Lomboy, di ba? As his basketball journey continues. At 11 under in division pa lang, nagpapasaya na siya with those fantastic finishes, yung mga Pinoy step, Euro step, di ba? So, paano pa kaya pag lalong nag-develop pa yung skills ni Lomboy? And look at that, he gets another steal. The drive, the dish. His teammate just could not finish. Dizon goes to 97. Lomboy with another steal.
Doing everything for the team right now.
Lomboy, sidestep. Another pass, maagawan ni Labagala. 30 seconds to play in the third frame. Labagala kissing it off the glass for 2.
Difficult finish by Labagala on that play. Daming defenders there. Dalawa ata nasa harap niya pero na-shot pa rin niya yun on that play.
And now, 12 seconds before the end of third. A chance for All-Star Hoops to end this third quarter. But a quick 3 won't fall. And now Passion Sports will have 2.8 seconds to finish the third. 60 to 55 in favor of All-Star Hoops.
And a lot of shots just going in for both teams in that third quarter.
Pero at the same time, si Lomboy making it happen din at the same time. 60 to 55.
Kung itong si Lomboy is going off in this third quarter, kailangan naman sumagot ni number 98 from Passion Sports.
So far, si Lomboy first to third quarter first and third quarter commendable. Ito naman si number 98 ng Passion Sports. Yung first half niya commendable, pero yung third quarter medyo nakita natin na medyo bumagal yung kanyang production.
So, tingnan natin, baka fourth quarter player itong si number 98.
A rebound coming from Passion Sports. Dizon. Hounded by Manalo. Goes to number 98. Slings it. Miranda. Jumper to no avail. Forward pass. Goes Glass. Missing. Lomboy with the board. Against 2 defenders. Big boy move coming from Lomboy.
Splitting the D on that play with the high pickup. Tapos right there to the left-handed floater itong si Lomboy with the moves.
Ito si Lomboy, wala na siyang pake sa nararamdaman ng kanyang mga kalaban eh. Kahit na siya yung may disadvantage, mas matangkad yung kalaban nila, mas marami, hindi siya natatakot. At katulad nun, he is making that tough drive over 2 outstretched arms of those defenders, 66-55. Lamang ang All-Star Hoops, courtesy of Lomboy. At yan na naman, yung dalawang pinagpag niya lang yung kalaban. Walang takot itong si Lomboy.
No hesitation, no fear for Lomboy. Kahit alam niya siya pinakamaliit na player on the court, still takes it against the 2 taller defenders and gets that shot off.
Sobrang sobrang saya panoorin ito ni Lomboy kasi yung decisions niya or how aggressive he attacks sa basket, talagang ang sarap panoorin lang talaga.
Alam mo, if I would compare this to a player, si Kian Baclaan ng NU, maliit na player, siguro mga 5'6", 5'7 lang. Kita mo naman mga kalaban niya, mga 6-footers, 6'5". Pero he still gets it off against all of them. Itong si Lomboy, very similar yung ginagawa niya right now.
And walang takot kahit anong gawin.
Tama, and ganun yun si Kian Baclaan. Same mentality sila.
As 98, drives, floater, no good. Suddenly, All-Star Hoops with the 11-point lead. A steal by number 98. Against 2 defenders. Ball will go to the side. Once again, of Passion Sports.
And ang bilis ni Lomboy on that play. Number 98, di na nakita from behind. Interception, buti na lang balik bola sa Passion Sports.
Ito si Lomboy parang kahit saan ka pumunta, parang parati siya nandyan para sa defense o offense man lang.
Ano tong si Lomboy? Omnipresent. He's everywhere.
As All-Star Hoops, the attack will miss. Another chance, deflected on that time.
And second time we've seen that spin from Manalo, the kid with the headband. Yun nga lang, di talaga pumapasok yung mga spin layup niya.
Pero yung time na yun, si Lomboy, reverse layup na medyo mahirap i-pull off, nagawa niya pa rin, kissing it off the glass.
And usually yung position niya doon, pang big man yun pag inbound play, yung magkakat sa ilalim, don't fade. Pero itong si Lomboy pa rin yung nagpakita doon. So talagang lahat ginagawa niya, pati sa dunker spot roll, finishing in that paint.
He's doing it everything. D-zone. A steal by All-Star Hoops. Behind the back. Jumper. Will not fall.
And medyo lumalayo na yung lead ng All-Star Hoops in this game. Kasi tuloy-tuloy yung production ni Lomboy. Tapos itong si number 98 ng Passion Sports, medyo tumatahimik na siya in this fourth quarter.
In the second half, medyo tahimik pa nga talaga ito si number 98. Miranda gives it to 98. And now, finally, he makes a basket into the fourth. Cutting the lead to 11. De Los Santos attacks the middle. Flips it up. Off the mark, Labagala. Rebound. Goes to 98. Against De Los Santos. The 3. Hits the side of the ring. Now Lomboy with the basketball. Attacking. Gets the N1. Ang ganda nun.
And Lomboy taking the contact on that play. See that na binangga mo niya si Labagala. Yan tinan mo. Bangga kay Labagala. Right there. Euro to the right. Tapos left-handed finish. Pinektos pa off the glass.
At yung napansin ko dun, kasi at the same time, pagkakuha ni Lomboy ng bola, na-zoom sa kanya nung camera Nung zoom ng camera sa kanya, makikita mo yung fire in the eyes of Lomboy na talaga nung hawak niya na yung bola, alam niya yung gagawin And look at that, he goes for another steal. The dish to his teammate. Sayang lang.
And again, doing everything itong si Lomboy. Ba talaga confidence itong batang to?
Off the roof. He knows what to do in the offense. Mapa-atake man yan or mapa-playmaking man yan. And siguro kung tumatama lang yung mga pasa niya dun, ay kung na-shoot lang ng mga kakampi niya yung mga pasa niya, malamang nasa triple-double na tong si Lomboy.
Pero I'm sure kahit rebounds niya, baka double figures na yun eh. Sa dami niya na-rebound in this game.
Ay, even the steal eh. Tingin ko nga kung gumagana lang din yung mga assist niya. And look at that spin! The dish! Finally! An assist for Lomboy. Giving it to Manalo.
Manalo making up for his missed layup on the last play. Binigay na niya yung assist para kay Lomboy.
73 to 57. 6:07 in the fourth. 98 drives. Short on that floater. But a foul will be called.
And with 6 minutes remaining dito sa fourth quarter natin, 73 to 57, kayang-kaya pa to ng Passion Sports. They just have to dig deep, try to get those stops and make those easy shots din.
Yes, with 6:03, it feels like light years of basketball to play. And even though this is still a 15-point lead for Passion Sports, a 15-point deficit for Passion Sports, nothing is still impossible at this point.
And we haven't seen the shooter nitong Passion Sports, yung si number 66, naka 2 3-points ata siya nung first half.
I think 1 3-pointer and 1 long two.
1 long 2 pala.
Yung isang 3-pointer na galing sa Passion Sports is galing kay Miranda.
Lomboy ulit, stop na naman. Dapat easy layup na yun para sa Passion Sports.
Feeling the stat sheet talaga to si Lomboy. Meron na yung block kanina, meron na rin yung steal, and definitely meron niyang rebounds, assists, and points. As 98, at the right wing, goes to Labagala, corner 3, in and out. Lomboy secures the top.
Could have cut that lead down to 11 kung pumasok yung tres doon para kay Labagala.
Lomboy, forward pass, just could not make the assist. But ball will stay on their side. All-Star Hoops still with the possession. 8 drives, strong. Good rebound coming from 98. Now he attacks. Backs down, spins, top shot, will not go. Lomboy, 98, battling for the loose ball. 98 is successful. Sayang lang, the spin move, another chance.
98 frustrated on that play. Mabagal bumaba, oh.
And siguro kasi nga, he had a lot of looks on that play, pero to si Lomboy making things happen. Grabe. I think he is at this point, Lomboy is unconscious. Hindi niya na alam kung ano yung ginagawa niya. All he knows is he's just flipping the basketball and somehow it finds the bottom of the net as we head to a timeout, 73 to 59. Hindi ko na. Lomboy with the basketball, 4:35 into this fourth quarter. Somehow it seems to be a Lomboy show in the fourth. The three-pointer to no avail for your All-Star Hoops. 33 with the basketball.
And the smart thing for All-Star Hoops to do right now is to kill the clock, ubusin nila. Kasi right now, malaki naman lamang nila. So, try nyo lang ubusin every possession, yung shot clock nila para ma-maximize nila.
And I think that's the wisest or the best thing to do talaga for All-Star Hoops. And tingin ko nga dapat lang gawin yun eh. Kasi meron naman silang ano eh. Meron din silang player doon na who is a bucket, straight up bucket into this game. And that's the man you're seeing. Lomboy, the forward pass, maagawan. That's not a wise move on that play.
And one of the few bad decisions ni Lomboy in this game.
Oh, at Lim with the steal, goes to Lomboy. Layup is good.
Ito na naman, everything talaga going right for Lomboy.
Grabe, he's in the zone. He's unconscious, diving. getting the steal. And now number 5, the easy lay-in is good.
And was that an assist for Lomboy in that play?
I believe so.
So steal and assist. Stuffing the stat sheet tong si Lomboy again.
Feeling ko kanina, first to third, Lomboy is just putting up a show. Pero into this fourth quarter, tingin ko, he's chasing history na yun. Mga triple-double or mga quadruple-double na yung stat line. He's reaching on that quadruple-double stat line.
Inisipin mo, umagang-umaga game nila. First game sila dito sa Velvet D-League natin. Pero grabe yung energy nitong si Lomboy.
As Labagala will hit his first shot.
And if you notice right there, si Lomboy pa yung nasa ilalim, nasa big man spot para mag-box out.
At yung grabe dun is, kanina nung first half, I think if I'm not mistaken, 8 guys lang yung nandito para sa All-Star Hoops nun. So talagang first to fourth talaga yung energy ni Lomboy, hindi nawawala. As number 5 hits the AC2. 98. Goes inside, foul on that play.
And medyo bumababa na yung energy nitong Passion Sports right now. Siguro nafe-feel nila na time is winding down na, naubusan na sila ng oras, tapos medyo malaki na yung lamang, pero dapat for them, laban pa rin. Try nila kasi you never know, could still come back from this.
But number 98 missing. Si number 10 na nagbababa ng bola para kay All-Star Hoops. Lomboy, behind the back, spins, tough drive, will miss. Lim with the board, missing on that putback. And now Passion Sports, they're running. Bolima, the behind the back jumper, will be no good, but a foul on All-Star Hoops.
Good move by Bolima, number 33 on that play, showing us that he's more than just a shooter.
And now as he enters to the free throw line, his first shot will go for a miss. Second shot is good. A split at the line for Bolima. Now Lomboy with the basketball once again. Goes to Lim. Inside move is good. Big boy move coming from Lim. Labagala to 98 to Miranda. The 3 is short. Battle for the board rather. Good hustle by Labagala, but a miss. And now we go back to the fourth quarter of our 11 and under division. All-Star Hoops kontra sa Passion Sports. As a big lead for All-Star Hoops, 81 to 63. We're approaching the 2-minute mark of the fourth quarter. Labagala, nowhere to go. A steal by number 25 that will end into a jump ball.
Yan itong si Lomboy, pinupo na ata. So, mukhang pinalit muna sa kanya si number 14, the other Spitfire guard.
Yung kanyang katandem kanina.
So I'm assuming na Coach Lander Miranda is saying na this game is in the books for them kasi pinaupo na yung best player nila, itong si Lomboy.
Definitely, tingin ko, naramdaman niya na rin na, okay, let's give Lomboy the rest that he deserves. As 98, 1 under will roll. (63 to 81). A 17-point lead for All-Star Hoops. Number 14, losing the basketball. Somehow, 97 gets it, goes to Miranda. Easy lane in, uy, will not fall. Battle for the rebound, 98 gets it. And now he will be going back to the line for 2 shots.
At ito na nga, binalik na si Lomboy kasi medyo nagti-turnover na tong All-Star Hoops.
Kumbaga alam ni Coach Lander Miranda na they're almost 1 foot at the door na sila dito sa panalong to. Pero para sure, kailangan niya ibalik si Lomboy para may fire extinguisher yung kanyang team on the floor.
Tama kasi nahirapan to ngayon sa press ng Passion Sports. Medyo nagiging intense sila ngayon with their energy.
As Lomboy against number 98, the matchup that we are hyped to see nung first half. Goes baseline, go at no. Jumper, will not fall. And a steal by Lomboy.
Yun na naman, defensive anticipation by Lomboy.
And the assist, or rather the pass to Guatno, will miss the jumper. And now, bola babalik sa side ng All-Star Hoops. Lomboy in the left wing. Drives
Lomboy!
inside. Missing. I think that's a rare miss from point blank range para kay Lomboy.
Yeah, mas lalo na walang defender on that play, na open siya.
As number 98 gets the layup.
And kahit medyo umiinit tong si number 98 right now, still a big lead for All-Star Hoops, so maybe it's a little too late for him right now.
And now, under a minute to play, Dizon with the ball. So far, binalik na agad si Lomboy sa bench. Medyo na-feel na rin ng All-Star Hoops na this is already in the books.
Oh, 12-point lead pa naman. Tapos ito naman si 14, magaling din.
Side step, missing on the glass. But a jumper will fall for number 1. Now 30 seconds in the basketball. So, by the way, this is only the first game of our Velvet D-League Saturday schedule. We still have 5 more games. So talagang kailangan abangan yun. So we'll be having different matchups for different divisions sa ating liga ngayong Sabado.
Yeah, so everyone stay tuned lang kasi dami pa nating good games today. Quality matchups. So, yeah.
So si number 1 ngayon lang nagpakita pero he has a good stroke from the mid-range. Back-to-back hits yun para sa kanya. And now this is officially an All-Star Hoops win. Going to their Season 2 campaign with on a good note. Especially they're the defending champions. So what a way to start the season.
And this game was all about one guy. Itong si Lomboy ng All-Star Hoops. Did everything in this game from offense to defense, rebounds, steals, lahat ginawa. Yeah, no, you can see Lomboy on the screen right there splitting the defenders for the floater in the paint. Smallest guy on the court but he plays like a big man. Right there with the end one. Left-handed layup. Kahit 3 points ginawa nitong si Lomboy. Spin move right there to the dime. Manalo with the layup. And there you see the big man getting the floater right from the corner, 23 from All-Star Hoops. So yun, but then the other guy, itong si 98, Jokic for Passion Sports. Big guy, can handle the ball, can pass, finishes inside. And itong si number 1 showing the stroke. Late lang siya nagpakita.
Pero ayun, merong galaw din to si number 1. And now we'll be throwing you to our courtside reporter, Miss Imogen, as she will interview the best player of the match.
Thank Thank you, Miggy. I'm here right now with Lumboy, the best player of the game from All-Star Hoops. So, Lumboy, simula Season 1, naipakita mo sa amin that you are really commendable and unstoppable. Knowing na yung mga nakakalaban mo in this league ay mas malaki pa sa'yo, meron ka bang any inspiration or pre-game rituals para ma-maintain yung play mo?
Pinakita ko lang po yung best shot, sinunod ko po yung sabi po ng coach ko at lahat po ng training.
Okay, may mga gusto ko bang batiin sa mga nanonood?
Maraming po salamat sa mga papa ko, mama ko at pala sa boys. Salamat po.
Okay, see you at the next game. Thank you, Lumboy.